Hello everyone, welcome back. So today is August 1st and it's Guyana's Emancipation Day. So I wanted to come in person and wish all my Guyanese brothers and sisters a happy Emancipation Day. Now in today's recipe I will be making some metemgee and it's usually made on Emancipation Day. So that's what we'll be doing, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. Now let's jump right in. Alright, let's take a quick look at our ingredients. I already have my ground provisions prepped. I'll be using some plantains, eddo root, cassava, and some sweet potato. I have some fresh coconut milk here. I also will be using some bell peppers. I have scallion, thyme, some habanero peppers, parsley, onions, garlic, ginger. For the seasoning, I'll be using chicken bouillon, black pepper, complete seasoning, seasoned salt, and some mushroom seasoning. So basically, I just added my herbs and aromatics to a pot and sauteed them for about 2 to 3 minutes or so. Now, metemgee is a very simple dish. I believe some people call it oil down or rundown. And yeah, it's just pretty much simple and straightforward. So after that is done, I just went ahead and added my ground provisions. I tried to toss them a bit, but it was giving me a tough time, so I decided to just add my coconut milk. And once that is added, everything will toss pretty much easily. And yeah, so I just went in with my seasoning for flavor and taste. And like I said, I started to stir until everything was well combined. Once it was combined, I just added my habanero peppers in, cover, and allow these to simmer on medium-low heat until they were tender. Once that is going, we'll go ahead and make our duff. So here I have some all-purpose flour. I'll be using salt, sugar, baking powder. I added that, and I will also be adding some spinach. So I blended up my spinach into my small chopper and I just added to the flour, mix well. Now once I was doing this, it dawned on me, you know what I forgot? I forgot to add the butter. The butter is the first thing you add to the flour and work it in like if you're making a pastry dough or bakes. So I forgot that, and then I just added the butter in afterwards and fold it into the dough. And once that is done, you want to just cover it and allow it to sit for about 10 to 15 minutes or so. Next, you want to go ahead and just form your little duff out. You can form it in any shape or size that you like. And yeah, I'm just doing it the traditional way. This is how we make them in Guyana. So yeah, I'm just going ahead and form them. And I try to make my dough as soft as possible because I like my duff to be fluffy and airy inside. And you need to have a very soft dough for that outcome. So yeah, once I was done, this is how they were looking. I will now go ahead and add them to the metemgee. So the metemgee, everything is nice and tender, and now we can go ahead and add our duff in here. Once you add the duff in, you want to just cover it and allow them to go for about 8 to 10 minutes. Don't overcook your duff or else they will become very tough and dry inside. And this is the finished product. Once it was done, it looks and smells absolutely divine, but you can't have metemgee by itself. You always need to have it with some fried fish or saltfish. So today I'll be doing some saltfish because I always have mine with fried fish. So here I added some oil and some butter to a skillet, and then I went in with my aromatics. I will leave all the ingredients and the measurements that I use in my description box or in the caption. I give it a stir and allow it to go for about 2 minutes or so, and then I added a little bit of seasoning just to flavor the veggies up a bit. You don't need a lot because, you know, saltfish has salt on its own. So you want to give that a little toss, and then we will come in with our saltfish. Today I'm using pollock saltfish, but you can use any saltfish of your choice. You can use cod, you can use snapper, anyone that you like you can use here. Give that a toss. Allow this to go for about 2 to 3 minutes or so. And yeah, that's it, guys. Lastly, I will add some fresh herbs, some scallion and parsley, and we can serve up and enjoy. And here you have it, my version of Guyanese metemgee with saltfish. I did pair it with a boiled egg and it was chef's kiss. Trust me guys, you will not regret trying it. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description or the caption, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.